Hey everybody, have you heard of Edpuzzle? Today, let's check out their site to get an overview of what Edpuzzle is all about. Ready? Let's roll. Hi there everyone, Corey here again, and today I want to look at Edpuzzle with you. So go to Google, type Ed as in Edward and puzzle, all one word, and you get Edpuzzle. Let's click that link and find out what's going on. So I was introduced to Edpuzzle this year as a way to embed quizzes into media content. Pretty cool, huh? So when you land on Edpuzzle, it's going to bring you up to a Discover page. You can look obviously on the Discover page at your community, your school, YouTube. I've got a very free plan. I've got 2 of 20 storage used rather. I've got a very basic free plan. I don't pay for this at all. I can look at my school. I don't have anything under my school except for the little mini school that I created, and YouTube. It allows you to link to several well-known educational YouTube channels such as Khan Academy. And you can go to your network. So if you are a teacher, you can build out there. You can see I'm with Liberty University and I've got other connections here. Got notifications. The class that I built and used content for was for EOL planning. I do an advanced directive class for free every year, and I try to build in fresh content every year. One of the content pieces that I added this year was an Edpuzzle. So let's go to my content and you can see what I made. Now, I can't play all of this one video because it is somebody else's content. I don't want to rip off their content, but I can kind of show you what I did with it. And then here is a short video that I made, and I can, of course, let you walk all through that. So, first off, let's go here. Let's click on this one. The video is 7 minutes and 42 seconds long. I'm not going to play all of it, but it is a video from a chaplain at a hospice or senior living type of entity, and he's talking about life conversations, respect my wishes. The class that I do on advanced directive is all about documenting your wishes. If you haven't done that, you need to do that. It doesn't matter how old you are. So let's click here. I'm going to pause it real quick. There we go. And what you can see over here is that there are stops in the video where I've entered questions. So basically, I've allowed the viewer to watch this content as part of the class content. So this was required watching so that they could complete a quiz. At the very end of the video, you can see there's a little spot right here. And this starts the very first question here. So obviously I entered the content that I wanted here is think, plan, do. It's just a true or false question. I can rewatch the content prior to that to answer this question or skip to the next one. And it's not going to let me do that. So let's go ahead and answer a question. You can answer these. I'm not really paying attention. Just kind of getting through it as fast as I can. But everything that's showing on the right-hand side of the screen is content that I created to go along with this. So basically, you can assign a video, whether that's for math, English. In my case, it was for advanced directives. So it can be very practical. It can be a funny video, whatever you want to create content with that's interactive and ties to some sort of multimedia content. Okay, and then here's another one that I made for ethical wills. This one I'll let play through since it's my YouTube video, and this one is also on the channel, so you'll see it. And so in this case, I basically created, turn this volume down, basically created a slideshow to create a video content out of it. And then at the end of that video, I've embedded a multiple choice question for learners in this class. And so as we progress through each one, here's the quiz content that I've added. And that's the final page of the slideshow that's showing as the video. And then what pops up in Edpuzzle is the ability to then tack on a quiz to that. Click Submit, and then you can have it graded within this context. So let me show you the actual class where I did that at. And so here is, it was in the lesson 4 here. And this lesson is all about ethical wills. Here's a worksheet. And so here's where I've embedded that Edpuzzle using their link so that users or learners can access this content in the LMS itself. Attached a quiz. And that's how that worked out. So if you're interested in seeing a tutorial for how to complete an Edpuzzle, attach it to a video, let me know in the comments below and I'll do that for you. It's going to be a longer content format here on YouTube, so it'll be a longer video, but I'm happy to do that for you. Let me know. If there's something specific you want me to do for it, let me know in the comments below. And that's going to do it for me today, and have a good one.